Bir.
Hello everyone, this is the project presentation for our statistics class. We explore the factors that affect rental prices of 2+1 apartments in the Beşiktaş district of Istanbul. I'm Sevil Begüm Gürcan and my teammates are
İpek Aydın.
Buse Kasap.
Alparslan.
Our central research question was which apartment characteristics significantly affect rental prices in Beşiktaş and how do these vary by neighborhood? Beşiktaş is a central and socially diverse district in Istanbul. Due to high demand and inflation, understanding how rental prices vary can provide both practical and academic insights.
We collected data in April 2025 from the real estate from sahibinden.com. In total, we select 45 listings from 23 different neighborhoods in Beşiktaş. Using clustering sampling, 2 listings per neighborhood even possible. Our data set included the following variables: rental price, apartment size, and building age. The average apartment size was about 85 meter square, and the most common building age was around 35 years. Rental price ranged from 27,000 to 125,000.
We started with visual analysis, histograms, ogivs, and box plots. These show that rental prices are right skewed, with most listings between 40,000 and 70,000, and a few luxury listings driving up the upper end. We applied the Shapiro-Wilk and Kolmogorov-Smirnov test to check for normality. Both tests rejected the normality assumption. This justified the use of non-parametric tests and t-distributions in further analysis. In this section, we calculated 95% confidence intervals to estimate the average rent and proportion of high-priced apartments. The 95% confidence interval for the mean rental price was found to be based on the t-distribution with 44 degrees of freedom. For the proportion of apartments over 60,000, the 95% confidence interval was using a z-distribution. We also computed a confidence interval for the variance using the chi-square method. This assumption helped quantify uncertainty and support more informed conclusions.
We performed a one-sample t-test to check if the average cent scientifically different from 40,000. With a p-value below 0.05, we rejected the null hypothesis. We used ANOVA test to rent variation across building age and apartment size categories. The results were not statistically significant, which means these individual variables didn't explain the rent variation effectively. We also conducted independent t-tests comparing neighborhoods like Levent and Bebek or new versus old buildings. Again, no significant differences were found, showing that pricing is influenced by more complex interactions.
I return to compare key groups. The two proportion z-test showed no significant difference in proportion of high rent listings between newer and older buildings. However, an f-test comparing the 10 highest and 10 lowest price listings revealed significantly greater variance in luxury listings, confirming more diverse pricing patterns in the upper market segment.
We explored the relation between apartment size and rental price using linear regression. The correlation was weak and not statistically significant, as just R square was just 0.028, suggesting size alone does not explain rental variation. However, the Spider-Man rank correlation showed a moderate positive relationship, which supports a general trend. Larger apartments tend to be more expensive, even if not linearly so.
We applied non-parametric tests due to the non-normal distribution. The sign test and Wilcoxon rank sum test both indicated a significant difference in rental price distribution between small and large apartments. The Wald-Wolfitz Runs test suggested a possible non-random structure in listing order, though not statistically conclusive. The Superman correlation further supported a meaningful monotonic relationship between size and rent.
summary, Beşiktaş rental prices showed high variability and right-skewed distribution. No single variable, such as size or building age, could predict price alone. Even regression models showed low explanatory power, and most group comparisons were statistically insignificant. This highlights the complexity of rental pricing, which is likely influenced by multiple interacting factors such as location prestige, apartment condition, and market trends.
Thank you for watching our presentation. This project helps us apply statistic concept in the real-world dataset and gain deeper understanding of variability, uncertainty, and the challenges of real estate analysis.
Thank you.